One of the best thing that I like about pocket option is their social trading feature, which is also called as copy trading. You can literally copy trades from people who are successfully trading on pocket option. And I also do provide copy trading service in my VIP Telegram channel, where you can directly copy my trades. And if you want to join that VIP copy trading, then what you can do is I have a free Telegram channel. That's the link of that channel is in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and join it. In that free Telegram channel, I provide free binary signals on a daily basis. You can trade on that, okay, and become profitable. And if you want to join my VIP copy trading channel, then you can see all the description in that free Telegram channel how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. Now in this video I'm going to do a pocket option review and a platform walkthrough from start to finish. And if you are a little bit also interested inside this pocket option, then watch this video very carefully, because it is going to be extremely helpful for you. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Okay, so there is a link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and you will visit to Pocket Options official registration page. Okay, don't go from random links. Okay, I would suggest you to use that exact link, because that is the official link for Pocket Option. Okay, and once you click on that, you reach to this page. Just put your email address at here in this way. Okay, and type the password that you can remember. Okay, and then click on I have read and accept the following agreement, and click on I am not a robot, and then click on sign up. You can also use Google or Facebook to sign up to Pocket Option. Okay, so once you sign up, you'll see this kind of interface. Straightly got this thing. Okay, you don't need to watch this. You don't need to watch this. Okay, just got it. Okay, and here you can see the Pocket Option platform. Now you need to know about everything about this platform, and I'm going to explain you each and everything about this platform. Right after you sign up, just click on here and then click on your profile firstly. Okay, this is the most important thing that you need to do. Just click on profile, and then you'll see this kind of interface. Just click on confirm your email address and go to your email and click on a link that Pocket Option have sent you. Okay, and then just click on here. Okay, in first name, once you complete that, just type your first name, whatever your name it, just type it. Okay, and then click on write. Okay, and last name also same thing. Okay, just type it and click on tick mark. Okay, this is your email. If you haven't verified, it will show it on verified at here, but if you have verified, then it will be in green color verified. Okay, and put your phone number at here. Okay, and you can put your date of birth at here. Once you do this much, then again scroll below, whichever country you are from. Okay, select it. Okay, and then what document you want to submit to do your account verification: passport, local ID, driver license. I would suggest you to go with passport. If you don't have passport, then you can go with driver license. If you don't have driver license, then only you go with local ID. So once you do this much, then you need to put the document number at here. Okay, that means there is a number in each of this document. You just need to put it at here, and then click on choose file and upload that passport. Okay, and within 24 hours your account will be fully verified, because if you don't verify your account, then you will face some problem while withdrawing your fund. Okay, that's why it's extremely important to complete this step in the first place. Once you do this much, then again click on your trading. Okay, and then click on quick trading real account. Now if you want to test some of your skill in Pocket Option, then just click on here and go to demo account, and you can trade on demo account. Okay, and then if you want to deposit instantly and get a 50% bonus. Okay, so it seems like previously this was covered with my logo. Okay, here is the profile. Okay, you can click on here and click on here to see the profile. Okay, and if you want to go into demo account, then you can click on here and go into demo account. I'm extremely sorry for that mistake. And if you want to get a 50% deposit bonus, you can just click on this get 50% deposit bonus at here. And then you can see you have a wide variety of payment method that you can use. Okay, you can even use crypto to deposit and withdraw. So just select whichever method you want to use. Okay, just click on it and decide the amount that you want to invest. I think the minimum amount that you can deposit it is $10, but you will only get bonus if you deposit minimum $50. So I suggest you to go with $50. Okay, and if you deposit $50, here you can see you get $0.5 bonus. Okay, if you deposit like $1,000, then you will get $500 in bonus. Okay, and just click on continue and follow all the steps, and you will easily be able to deposit your fund with bonus. Okay, once you do this much, then again let's go to trading and quick trading. Now let's learn how you can trade here. Okay, so firstly you see here are the currency pairs, commodity. Wherever you want to make trade, just click on it and you can start to make trade in this. It's okay, but most people trade on currency. So let's go to currency, and these are the OTC currency pair. Okay, and here are the classic pairs. Whichever currency pair you want to make trade on, okay, what you can do is you can just make this star yellow. Okay, so it will start to appear at here in this way. Sorry, in this way you can make this star yellow and all currency pair will appear at here, so you can easily navigate to whichever currency pair you want to make trade on. Once you do this much, then you can select the candles and select the time frame of the candles. So if you select like S30, that means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. Okay, similarly if you select like M1, that means all of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Now next important thing is these indicators. Okay, you can just click on these indicators and use any indicator that you want to use. I strongly suggest you to use this parabolic SAR indicator. At the end of this video, what I'll also do is I'll give you a strategy that you can use to trade binary options in a profitable way by using this parabolic SAR indicator. I'll literally show you how I was able to turn $1 into $68 in that video. Okay, it will appear anywhere at the screen at the end of this video, so keep on watching this video. And to use this indicator, you can just click on parabolic SAR and this indicator is already implemented at here. Once this much is done, then you can click on here and you can see horizontal line, vertical line. If you want to draw it in the chart, you can do it. Okay, now another important thing that you need to do is the time frame of the trading. Okay, so you can literally start to trade from 5 seconds. Okay, you can invest amount by clicking on higher and lower and get the result within 5 seconds, or you can also use 15 second, 30 second. Okay, inside this pocket option, this is also a feature that I like about pocket option. Okay, so for example, just now it is M1. Okay, that means whenever you make trade, okay, within 1 minute, let's say you made a trade by clicking on, if you made a trade by clicking on higher, then within 1 minute this candle should go up. Okay, then only you are going to make profit. Okay, similarly if you select S5, okay, then if you click on lower, then within 5 seconds the candle should be below the place from you made the trade. Okay, to become profitable. Now here is the place where you can decide the amount that you want to invest. Okay, and here you can see the payout, how much you are going to get. Okay, so once you understand all about all of these things, then another important thing that you need to know is about this tournament. So pocket option host daily free tournament which you can join without even paying anything. Okay, and the prize fund is $250. Okay, and there are other tournament also which you can join by paying $1. Similarly, they do provide you signals which you can directly copy. Okay, here you can see the trading time frame. You can just click on this copy signals and it will automatically make trade in your account. Okay, you can use this function too. So now another interesting thing about pocket option is this achievement. Okay, you can just click on this achievement whenever you see this kind of icon at here, and then you can see you have got something in achievements. Just click on these achievements and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Okay, and you can see you have got some this kind of gems. Okay, you can just click on accept all. Okay, so once you accept it, it will start to accumulate at here. Okay, and then what you can do with these gems is you can just click on go to the market and you will see this kind of interface. You can just scroll below and you can see with these gems you can buy this kind of promo codes. Okay, or bonus to the balance. Okay, in this way, or risk-free trade. So for example, if you buy this with this 5 green gems and you made a trade of $10, and if it lose, then you can get this $10 back. Okay, that are the important thing about these gems. Okay, so now you can go to this finance. Okay, and then you can see another thing that is called my safe. Okay, you just click on this my safe and you'll see this kind of interface. Just click on USD safe. Okay, and then scroll below and you can see if you put your fund instead of your trading account, if you put your fund in this safe, then you can get this kind of interest. Okay, and here are the conditions. Okay, how much you can get the interest. So you can literally create any safe. So for example, let's create this kind of safe. Okay, and then click on I have accept and click on confirm. There is a importance of this safe also, which I'll explain you right now. Okay, so now this is your safe. Okay, you can just click on add funds and you can literally transfer from funds from your trading account to USD safe within few seconds. Okay, and you can also withdraw it immediately. If you want to withdraw $1 from safe, it is extremely simple to do that. Okay, so what also happens is, if you mistake, sometimes what happens, we mistakenly make trades. Okay, we want to make trade of $1, we make trade of $10 or $1,000. You don't want to mess up with those things, okay, by typing it mistakenly at here. Okay, so that's why whatever amount you want to make trade, just put that amount only in your trading account, and other amount you can put it in your safe, and just withdraw your amount whenever you want to withdraw from your safe to your trading account. Okay, another important thing that you can do with this safe is, let's say you have $100 and you do compounding. Okay, so compounding simply means investing $1, increasing that to and getting profit of $1.92. Okay, so your total amount is, say, let's say $1.92, or let's say $2. Okay, increasing that amount by doing compounding. $1 makes 2. Okay, and invest 2, make it 4, invest 4, make it 8, invest 8, make it 16. In that way, continuously do that. Okay, so to do that, you can just put $1 at here. Okay, by withdrawing from your safe, and start to do compounding. For that purpose also, you can use this safe. Now again, if you click on this finance, okay, and you can see the promo codes at here. If you click on here, then you can see the latest promo code that you can get to get some bonus while depositing fund. Okay, and in cashback, you will see if you have any cashback that you can get inside this pocket option, you can see it at here. Okay, and if you want to see the history of your deposit and withdraw, you can just click on this history. Okay, and if you want to withdraw your funds, or whatever the status of your withdrawal is, you can see it at here. Okay, and again, another easy way to deposit fund is by clicking on this top up. Okay, you can literally deposit your money by clicking on top up at here. Okay, another thing is this chat. Okay, you can go to this general chat and see the conversation that people are having at the real time. Okay, and you can also chat here by sending the message if you have some confusion. Okay, similarly, this support chat you will get after some level, you reach to some level. Okay, but in the start it is not available for you. Okay, similarly, if you click on this help, then you can see here is the support service where you can email them. Okay, about your problem, or if you need some solution. And if you click on this guides and tutorial, this is an important thing. Just click on this guides and tutorial, and you'll find several tutorial for like registration, profile, finance, demo account, real account, social trading. To now you can learn about each and everything at here. Okay, so let's click on tournament, or let's click on social trading, top ranked traders. Okay, pending trades. You can see all of the guide at here, like about verification. Also there must be about verification, how to sign up with Google. Okay, so another thing is this trading strategies. You can click on here, and you can see the guide for this trading strategies. Okay, and you can watch some video tutorials on this kind of subjects. Okay, you can use this place in this, and here you can see the tips and tricks. As I've also talked about previously about this risk-free, you can click on it and watch about this risk-free. Okay, risk-free trade. Here it is, straight reason, did you lose a bit? Do not worry anymore. Please, purchase a risk-free option in the market. Okay, and wherever you are, if you want to start making trade, just go to this trading, and let's say if you want to make trade on real account, click on here. If you want to make trade on demo account, just click on here. Okay, and you will see your demo account at here. Okay, now let's make a trade on 5 seconds. Okay, let's see if I assume that market will go down. Okay, within 5 seconds, this is a demo account, and here you can see within 5 seconds market went down, so I made a profit at here. Okay, in this way you can start to trade with pocket option. If I have left something to tell, then please do comment and remind me. I'll make another video for that especially. Okay, and do not forget to watch my video where I have turned $1 into $68. It will appear anywhere at the screen right now.